plenty of reasons why WordPress succeeds as a platform. Everything installs in a few simple clicks. Anyone can truly build a website. But the real kicker is the plugins. You can power your whole marketing strategy from your WordPress dashboard using a handful of plugins and integrations if needed. And the best part? You don't have to be a coding expert to do it. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Here are 10 WordPress tips to help you market your site. Use mobile responsive WordPress themes. It's no secret that Google loves mobile-friendly web pages. With their most recent algorithm update, Google has been cracking down on any and all sites that aren't mobile-friendly. So, the very first thing you should do with your WordPress site is make sure it's optimized for mobile. To do that, look for themes that are marked as mobile-friendly. Optimize your site's images for faster loading. One of the biggest things that will slow down your site is images. If you are an e-commerce site, for example, you're going to have a lot of high-quality product images, which means lots of files stored on your server. You'll want to use a WordPress plugin like WordPress Smush Image Compression to reduce file sizes. This will dramatically speed up your website and give you a boost in Google's eyes. Create an XML sitemap. Search engines need to index your blog to rank your site. The way they do that is by looking at your sitemap, a list of all pages on your site. WordPress will automatically create a sitemap for you, but that doesn't mean it's optimized, so Google won't always know when to crawl your site. You can quickly and easily optimize your sitemap using a plugin like Google XML Sitemap Generator. Enable rich snippets. Rich snippets are one of the best ways to increase your search traffic. Thankfully, there is an easy way to create rich snippets in WordPress even if you're not a developer. The all-in-one Schema Rich Snippet plugin allows you to configure snippets in a few simple steps. Automatically check for broken links. Broken links can harm your SEO, so it's important to either fix them or get rid of them. Rather than going through every link manually, you can easily use a plugin like Broken Link Checker to simplify the process. Build sales landing pages quickly. Launching a new product or need a page for an opt-in form? You're going to need a landing page. One of the fastest tools out there to produce high-quality landing pages is Page Builder by SiteOrigin. It's a free plugin with a drag-and-drop interface. A/B test your landing pages. The reason a lot of people avoid A/B testing is that it can be time-consuming. You usually have to create or duplicate pages with separate designs and then test them for a few weeks or months on different audiences. You can make that process easier by using WordPress plugins like Melio A/B testing. Add call to actions to all of your blog posts. Blogs are the absolute best place to include a call to action. There are different types of call to actions you can use. You can add fancy call to action graphics to any blog post, or simple callouts to other content or services within the post themselves. There are also header call to actions, sidebar call to actions, and simple text call to actions. Optimize your posts for shareability. Social media signals affect your site's visibility in search rankings. That's why it's so important to make your content shareable on social media channels. The plugin Add to Any Share Buttons allows readers to share any page automatically without having to copy and paste the URL. For more information, visit www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org.